Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your old Clash of Clans account. First, always ensure your game is connected to a Supercell ID. This is the most secure way to save your progress and easily transfer it between devices. If you haven't, or if you've lost access, the in-game help and support feature is your next best step. Be ready to provide specific details about your account to verify ownership. Supercell ID is a free service that links all your Supercell games to a single login, making account management simple. It allows you to easily transfer your game progress between different devices, like a phone and a tablet. By connecting your account to a verified email address, you add an extra layer of security, protecting your valuable progress. You can even manage multiple game accounts on one device. To contact support, first open your Clash of Clans game. Tap the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, select Help and Support. Look for the Lost Account option and follow the on-screen prompts. The support team will ask you several security questions to verify your ownership, so be ready with your answers. When contacting support, providing accurate information is crucial. Try to remember your old account's exact username and your town hall level. Knowing your clan name, if you were in one, is also very helpful. Additionally, provide approximate dates for when you created the account or last played. If you made any in-app purchases, having those receipts can significantly speed up the verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.